So we're ready for one of the newest features in Microsoft 365. Now let's take a look at the restore function. Here, once you click on restore from within the Exchange backup policy, it immediately asks you to choose whether you want to restore Exchange, SharePoint, or OneDrive data, despite, of course, the fact that you just chose that restore button from the Exchange section. Next, you'll pick which mailbox or mailboxes you want to restore. Notice that it does narrow the selection to only the mailboxes you're already including in the scope of the Exchange backup policy. Once you've chosen the mailbox or mailboxes you want to restore, you'll then need to choose them again in the next screen as you're choosing to restore this from this selection. So the last time you chose that mailbox a moment before, it only puts it into the list of mailboxes available for you to choose from to restore. So it's a bit repetitive there. And then, of course, from there, you can add more mailboxes or remove more mailboxes, all within the choice range of the ones you previously put into the scope for backup. You'll next pick what date you want to restore from. And here you're going to decide if you want to restore all the content from that date, or if you're wanting to restore only selected content based on a specific time frame range, and also based upon a few filter options. So for instance, you can choose to restore only emails from a mailbox where a specific word or phrase was found in the subject line of the email. Now from there, you'll click to find matching items to choose if you want to restore them. In my case, in this development environment, there aren't any, so I won't see any results to restore from that way. So we'll just keep it to all within a specific date. And then we'll pick restore points we want to pull. Obviously, in a fully set up and active environment, of course, you'd have a lot more to choose from than just this one. So select your restore point and then click next. You could also choose to delete a restore point from here. Now you'll identify where you want that restored content to be sent to. You can overwrite existing content, or you can keep the existing content safe by restoring to a new folder of your choice. Then it tells you what your restored content will be named, so you can search for it to validate it exists and use or retrieve it if necessary. Now just take a quick look at what happens when you pause your Exchange backup policy. You'll click to view the details, and then from there choose to pause the policy. At this point, your policy status will revert again to processing.